back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I do makeup videos and I'll give you a little tips and tricks about how to do your makeup and how to make it look good. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to choose your perfect transition shade for eyeshadow, how to blend your eyeshadow, how to make it look good, and how to highlight your inner corners and eyebrow bone. So if you want to watch how I did this, please keep on watching and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see, the base of my face is already done. I have applied my primer, foundation, concealer, compact, everything, and I have also contoured my face and I've done my eyebrows too. So the next step that I'm going to do is eyeshadow, and the main focus of this video is going to be eyeshadow because applying eyeshadow is tricky, and knowing which shade to use as a transition shade and which shades to not use as transition shade is very important. Never use a shimmer shade as a transition because it will ruin your eyeshadow. It definitely will. So first tip that I'm going to give you today is always use a nude palette to select your transition shade. So I'm going to use this shade right here. It is a very warm tone brown shade, almost kind of like orangish. So I'm going to use that in my crease. Okay, now my transition shade is done. I'm going to go and flat tip brush like this one right here, and I'm going to dip my brush into a darker shade like this dark brown. It's a cool tone brown, and I'm going to make a V on my outer corner. Just I'm going to apply the shadow like this, and then I'm going to follow my crease and apply the shadow like this. Don't worry if you have a fallout, take a big brush like this and just wipe it up. Don't use your fingers or tissue because you might make a smear mark on your face. Flat tip brush, we are going to take a matte black eyeshadow like this one before brush into it. And again, I'm going to apply it to the outer V. Just a little bit, not too much. I'm going to apply a little bit. And then using the fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it. Okay, so now that my basic transition shade is done, I'm going to move to a little shimmery shade and give my eyes a little pop of color. We are going to take a flat round tip brush, and we are going to take this blue shade. It's a duochrome blue. It has a little bit of, like, what do I say, black light kind of shine to it. If you feel like the brush is not giving you enough saturation, use your fingertips and apply. Okay, so once you are satisfied with how your eyeshadow's intensity looks like, you can move on to the next step, which is a liner. You can use any liner you want. I'm going to use this Mars gel liner in shade black, and I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to create a wing. You can do what you prefer. I'm just going to take my Lakme Eyeconic liner and I'm going to tight line my eyes. So I'm going to take a shimmery pink magenta shadow like this one right here, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Okay, so now that is done, I'm going to do the last thing for my eyes, that is, you guessed it right, mascara. I'm going to use a VOV Mascara. You can use whichever you feel is good for you. So after my lashes is done, my almost face is done. The only thing that is left is lipstick and highlighter. For highlighter, I'm using my Freedom highlighter, and I'm going to use a brush like this one. It's a tapered fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up some highlighter on my brush. We are going to highlight the inner corners and the eyebrow bone. So to highlight the inner corners, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight to the inner corners. For lipstick, I'm going to use my Nykaa Taupe Thrill, which is this one, and so this is the look, guys. This is the eyeshadow look that I wanted to show you. How to choose your transition shade, how to make it good, how to make it like pop if you want to, and if you want to keep it neutral, you can totally skip the blue and the pink and just go with the golden or like a champagne or a brown shade in your inner corners, and that will make it pop too. If you like this video, please like, comment down below, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what you would like me to do next, and if it's possible for me to do, then I'll do it in the next video. So thank you for watching. Bye. You can subscribe to my channel right here. You can view my previous video right here. You can check out the playlist down there. And let me know how you like it in the comments down below.